Hi everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. This is Gopal and you're watching Cuisinier. Today I'll prepare a dish which is not only very delicious but also quite easy to make at home. So without wasting any time, let's make some grilled chicken burgers. I've taken here 800 grams of chicken breast. You can also use chicken thighs, which would make it much more juicy and soft. To make the patties, we need to mince the chicken first. To make the process much more easier, I'm cutting the chicken breast into thin slices. And the idea over here is to cut the meat as small as possible before we start mincing it. I prefer mincing the meat at home by myself rather than buying minced meat from store, as it's generally not very fresh. Alright, now that the chicken is finely minced, let's add in the seasonings and the spices. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, and 1 cup of chopped coriander. Now let's mix all the ingredients together before we set it to marinate for at least half an hour. Once the chicken has been marinated, give them a shape for making the patties. I'm making here 12 patties for 6 burgers. I've lightly drizzled some oil onto a pan to which I'm directly placing the patties for cooking. Cook the patties for 3 minutes on each side on medium flame and for 5 minutes covered with the lid in low flame. Make sure you do not overcook the chicken patties. I'm using here cheddar cheese slices for the burger. Now close the lid for a few seconds for the cheese to melt on the patties. Well, the patties are ready, so let's remove them to a plate. While we make the dressing for the burger, let's lightly toast the buns alongside. For the dressing, I've used here 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of chili sauce as well. Now let's whisk the mixture together. At this stage, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and whisk it well. The buns are toasted nicely. Let's remove them from the pan and let's start making the burgers. Now here is a tip. If you place a lettuce above the bun before you spread the dressing, it would prevent the burger from getting soggy. Now guys, I would like to inform you that our team here at Cuisinier puts a lot of effort to bring you the best food video once a week. And we are planning a whole lot of varied content about recipes to street food videos in the future ahead. So if you like what you see and if you want to support this channel, share this video with your friends and families because that would really help this channel to grow. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Well, the burger is ready and it looks delicious. Try this at your home and let us know what you think about this recipe in the comments below. I'm serving these burgers with some oven baked potato wedges. Well, that was it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching and we will be back with a new video next week. Till then, this is Gopal Das signing off.